Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. I have taken nowadays I am solving some problems from compound interest and one more problem I have taken from that. Let's see the question. Question is given: find the compound interest on the compound interest on the sum of money in 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum will be rupees 420 more than the simple interest. Find the sum. Means P we have to find out, and 2 years, that means T is given, 10%, that means R is given, and P we have to find out. And one more thing is given, will be rupees 420 more than the simple interest. Means compound interest will be more than 420 rupees, then 420 rupees more than the simple interest. Means CI, compound interest, is greater than simple interest. So CI minus SI will be how much? Rupees 420. This question is also very important. Let's see the question. Let's see the solution. Here P we have to let. P we have to find out. Find the sum. P is not given here. So find the sum is saying in question. So let P equal to X. Let P equal to rupees X. The unit of P, the unit of principal will be rupees. So after this, T equal to how much? T equal to given 2 years, 10%. That means R is given 10%. And one more thing is given, CI minus SI equal to rupees how much? 420. In this question, first we have to find out simple interest, after that compound interest, and we have to subtract, we have to find out the difference of CI and SI. Let's see. After this we can find out SI. SI equal to how much? PT R by 100. P into T into R by 100. So it will be how much? P means we don't know, means X we have left. Rupees X into T means how much? 2 years. R means 10% divided by 100 equal to how much? This 10 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are, means rupees X by 5. Its simple interest is how much? SI equal to how much? X by 5. After this we have to write down CI. CI equal to, write down, and CI equal to how much? What is formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T minus 1. This is the formula of CI, compound interest. After this I am writing here equal to P we don't have, P we have to find out. So P we have let rupees X into 1 plus R by 100. R means how much? 10. So 10 by 100 to the power T. T means 2 minus 1. Let's solve this. We will get X into 10 cancel, 10 and 1, 10 1s are 10 and 1 11. So 11 by 10 its power 2 minus 1 equal to X into, it will be 121 divided by 100 minus 1 equal to X into 121 minus 100. We have taken LCM here. It will be 121 minus 100 divided by 100 equal to X into 121 and 100. That means 21 by 100. This is CI and this is XI. Both are in terms of X. After that we have to solve. After this line I am writing here. Now what is saying in question? The compound interest on the sum of money. The compound interest on the certain sum of money in 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum will be rupees 420 more than the simple interest. Means compound interest is greater than simple interest the difference of compound interest and simple interest is equal to how much? Rupees 420. So we have to write down now CI minus SI equal to rupees 420. Let's put the values here. CI we have got 21x by 100. 21x by 100 minus SI how much we have got? X by 5. X by 5 equal to rupees 420. After solving this, we will get its LCM will be how much? LCM of 100 and 5 will be 521, means LCM will be 5 into 5 and 100 will be 100. So it will be 121x minus, divide this 100 by 5, this LCM divided by the denominator of this second fraction by 5, you will get 20. 20 into x will be 20x equal to 420, or you will get x by 100 equal to 420. Yes, 420. By cross multiplication you will get how much? X equal to 420 and this into 100, or x equal to 42000, and x we have left for P. Therefore P equal to how much? Rupees 42,000. It is its answer. This way we have to solve. The difference between CI and SI is rupees 420. So its solution will be this much. We have found here the sum. What will be the sum? Here you can write down the required sum is this much. The required sum also we can write down. Let's write down here. The required sum is the required sum P equal to how much? Rupees 42,000. It is its answer. Understood? I think all of you have understood this. If it's okay, if any comment you have, you can write down in comment box. And thank you for watching.